11:11. Make a wish, but we made it. Is she open too? Hello, my dear. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I didn't know there was one all the way down here. Your hair's so long and pretty. Thank you so much. Have a good day. I really like your purple glasses too. Oh, I didn't know. Yeah, I just realized. I haven't actually come. This is like the earliest I've been here since I got my pass. I haven't had a pass in like 6 years. So I'm happy to be here. Yeah, thank you. Have a good one, Mary. Oh, wait, say again? No, what is that?
It's a lounge. It's across from like where the old pictures are taken.
Okay, yeah. I know what you're talking about.
Gertie's.
Oh.
It's a dress shop.
Oh.
You go in there and it's a VIP lounge for prestige. You get
I didn't know that.
couches and air conditioning and TVs.
Oh, how cool. Oh, so just like if you need a little break. Oh, and that's like throughout the day?
Yeah.
Mary, you're awesome. Thank you. Have a good one. Now I have to go check it out. So what was she talking about with the little dress shop? She said little Gertie's, I think. Let's go see. Okay, so the Essay Office, Hop Wing Lee. So here's the old-timey photo. So she said across the way, Silver Dollar Restaurant. Let's see if we can get a little closer. Okay, this is the shooting range. Oh, maybe the pictures are further down? Right here? Yeah, the dress shop. Wait, I have been in here. So I didn't know that's what this was. Let's go check it out. Okay, so I guess if you come in here, there's like a VIP seating area. Let's go check it out. I've walked through this area before, but I've never been in the VIP. This is cool. All right, well, let's check it out. Hello. I've never been here before. Mary at the front told me that this was for prestige passes. What is it? Just like a little, yeah.
It's a VIP area.
So just to kind of hang out and eat, or?
Yeah, you could, there's TVs in there.
Oh, how
there's
cool.
Places to charge your phone.
Awesome.
And, there's snacks and drinks.
That's incredible. And it's included, or do you have to, is there like a cashier?
The snacks are free.
Okay.
Free.
How fun.
And so, for more information, there's someone over there.
Oh, awesome. Okay, thank you. I appreciate you. Awesome. Thank you so much. Oh, wow. This is so cool. Oh, how awesome. Very, very cool. Oh, wow. This is so interesting. Oh, they've got games. How cool. Let's see. Hello, I've never been in here before. I didn't know how it works. We have a snack for free?
Chips, cookies, and water are the only things that are complimentary here.
Okay, cool. Can I do a peanut butter cookie, please? Oh, how exciting. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. How fun. Let's try out one of the chairs. I don't want to sit. Just gonna sit over here real quick. Oh, this is cool. Well, let's just be right over the good one. That's so fun. I had no idea. Look, Kathy. Look, Danny, your show's on. Grandma's cookies. That's pretty cool. Well, alright. This is so cool. And then do we go out the same way that we walked in? Awesome. Thank you so much. Have a good day. This is so fun. Oh, cool. How fun. I'll definitely be back when it's hotter or when I need somewhere to sit.
Especially like when they have like the games people have been watching, like the
Like football games and stuff? Oh, how fun. I didn't even think about that. That's so funny. I had walked in here before just to kind of look at this area. I thought this was the entrance to the restaurant next door. I didn't know. I had no idea. So that's so cool. Yeah, well, there's a few things that I've like realized that I'm like, oh, I need to like really read up on this again. How fun. That's so cool. That is so fun that they have the little VIP area. I had no idea. Makes more sense why that guy said that day.